Experts predict that this December is going to be crazy busy for car sales. I need to stock up now to prepare for the rush.
Danny and Scotty here from Kunes Country Ford Lincoln. We're about to tell you about the biggest saving secret of the season.
CHING!
The early turkey bird gets the deal this November, so trade in your old car early.
Even if you owe $2,000, $4,000, or $6,000 more than your trade is worth.
And get up to $4,011 off of any vehicle in stock.
Our For the People credit approval process works hard to get you approved, even if your credit is fried.
This is Danny.
And Scotty. And we're a dealer for the people.